lot of people are wondering how to identify a maple tree in the winter. We get this question a lot. Spotting a maple tree can be easy once you know what to look for. There are 3 main elements you want to use to identify a maple in the winter: branches, bark, and buds. First, we'll look at the branches. Maples belong to a small group of trees and shrubs that have opposite leaves. Some say that the opposite twigs resemble a turkey foot. Check out a few branches per tree in case parts have broken off. Trees and shrubs with opposite leaves are sometimes remembered as madcap horse, which stands for maple, ash, and dogwood. Caprifoliaceae like elderberry, honeysuckle, and viburnums, and horse chestnuts. Red and silver maples look similar with bright red to purple twigs, while black and sugar maple twigs are light to orange-brown and sometimes have a waxy coating. The bark of red and silver maple is light gray and smooth on younger trees, eventually showing age as the bark separates into long scaly rows. Just a note that a natural hybrid of red and silver maple, called Freeman maple, is frequently planted in cities and towns. The bark of black and sugar maple is darker gray with thick, irregular scale-like ridges instead of long rows. These appear more wrinkled with age. If you look at the twigs more closely, you'll notice opposite leaf scars, which again you can remember using madcap horse. You'll also notice terminal buds, which are buds at the tip of a twig. Maple buds are made of numerous overlapping scales, with the entire bud being less than 3/8 inch long. Use binoculars if the branches are too high for you to reach. Checking for leaves or fruit is a great way to confirm your maple, but of course, leaves and fruit aren't usually abundant in the winter. Still, take note. Some branches may have a relic of fall hanging on. If not, check under the trees for clues. Digging in the snow might give you some ideas, but keep in mind that leaves tend to blow around in the fall, so make sure that you're seeing a lot of similar leaves in the same place. Practice makes perfect. Keep looking up.